Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dog. Now by the end of this video, if you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more such creative content, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's get folding. Now for this I've taken, you can take the standard 15 by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper. But since I had this square sheet of paper lying around, which is about 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters square sheet of paper, I've taken this right now. So it has color on one side and it's white on the other. So let's start with the colored side first. The white side. Now on this white side, you have to make two diagonal folds first. Alright? So just pick up any corner and make this diagonal fold. Just make sure you crease nicely. Okay? The creases have to be sharp enough because we're going to use those again later. So yeah, that's the first fold. You open that up and make the next fold. Alright, so those are two diagonal folds that we've made. Now you open this up, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold all of these corners inward towards the center. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the first corner, and we repeat that on all other sides. Yeah, we just have to be mindful of the alignment of the central line that we have here going through when we are folding. So we cannot go wrong once we keep that in mind. The central aligning fold that we have here. Okay, so those are our folds. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up this left one, okay, and then fold this tip inward where we have this fold that we've made right now, these crease. Alright, so just pick this up and just lightly touch it there on that crease, and now fold this inward. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift this right side, get it open, and now we're going to make a fold like this. Okay, outward fold where we're leaving only about a centimeter space, 1 centimeter space, barely. Okay, once you're happy with the length, you can just crease. Okay, and now you pick this up and fold it again inward, a valley fold that is. Now once we've made this valley fold, just crease again nicely so that you're sure that it won't get out, the folds won't come out. Now the next thing is you're going to make this diagonal fold from this tip here till this here. Okay, so now for that we just open this flap, bring this out, this triangle that we have in here, and we will make the diagonal fold. So be careful guys, take your time while you're making this fold. Make sure that it's aligned properly with both the corners. Alright, so now that that's done, so I've made this diagonal fold. See how it goes from this tip till over here. So I'll keep it as it is and then fold this flap downwards. Okay, now I'll turn around, or I'll just flip it over, and then again I have to repeat the same thing from this tip till this tip, another diagonal fold. So first of all you open the flap and bring this out, the triangle, and now you make your crease. And then once that's done, you close this flap. So if you can see, our origami dog is almost ready. Now the one thing that we need to do is, while keeping this as it is, we're going to open this up, and we have this tiny fold in here, so we're going to bring it outward like that. And there you go, guys. That's our origami dog ready to play with. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to watch more such content, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys. See you next time.